For the second example, we're scanning a cylindrical object. Cylinders are naturally more difficult to scan because the surface repeats uniformly and doesn't provide unique tracking features. So again, I'm positioning 3 marker domes around the object. This gives the scanner consistent reference points throughout the scan. I'm beginning at the front of the cylinder. Even though the surface is smooth, tracking stays stable thanks to the domes. As I move around the circumference, the scanner continues referencing the domes to maintain alignment. This prevents drift and improves scan reliability. Now I'm capturing the top surface. You'll notice tracking remains locked even without surface texture. I'm finishing by capturing the lower transition edge to complete the geometry. And that completes our cylindrical scan. You can see we captured the entire shape smoothly with no alignment issues. As you saw in both demonstrations, using 3 marker domes significantly improves tracking when scanning challenging shapes. They're especially helpful for sharp edges, flat surfaces, and cylindrical geometry. This makes the EinStar 2 a very flexible solution for real-world scanning workflows. Thank you for watching. I truly hope this video helped you understand when to use 3 marker domes in your real workflow scenarios. Alright, if you found this video helpful, drop us a like. Leave a comment below if you have any questions you'd like answered. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future scanning tips and product reviews. Now, if you're looking for your own scanner, software, accessories, or if you'd like to schedule a free demo, head over to UMAX.com. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Steven from UMAX, and I'll see you in the next one.